Hey there, home bakers! Fancy a perfectly fluffy cake in just minutes using your convection microwave? Trust me, you don't need fancy gear or hours in the kitchen for this one. Let's whip up something delicious the quick and easy way. First things first, grab your basics. 100 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams each of caster sugar and softened butter, 2 eggs, a teaspoon of vanilla essence, and a pinch of baking powder. Pop them all into a mixing bowl and give it a good whisk until your batter is silky and smooth. Top tip: let your ingredients come to room temperature for the fluffiest results. Next, get a microwave-safe dish. Glass or silicone works a treat. Grease it up with a little butter or oil, then pour your batter in. Make sure not to fill it more than halfway, as your cake's going to rise and you don't want any drama in your microwave. Now, set your convection microwave to 180 degrees Celsius and preheat using the convect setting. Pop the dish on the convection rack and bake for about 3 to 5 minutes. Start checking at 3 minutes. Once a toothpick comes out clean, you're done. Let your cake cool for 5 minutes, then decorate with a dusting of icing sugar or fresh fruit. And there you have it, a gorgeous homemade cake in no time at all. If you loved this quick baking hack, hit subscribe, give us a like, and leave a comment with your own microwave cake tips below. Happy baking and see you next time!